Hi there. Welcome to Lingua Magic. Here we're going to learn English in a simple, step-by-step, and practical way, especially for everyday conversations. If you're just starting out or want to strengthen your basics, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll practice some easy questions and answers that are super useful in daily conversations. So stay with me until the end, follow the channel if you find it helpful, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching and being here. Now, let's get into today's lesson.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I'm 2 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot today.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What color is your car?
My car is blue.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is lasagna.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a teacher.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't play the piano.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the gym.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I I ate toast and tea.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Jumanji.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a doctor.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like skiing.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's on my next street.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Can you help me?
Yes, what do you need?
Where did you learn English?
I learned English at school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are brown.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like dancing.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is John.
How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 3 rooms.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What did you do for your last birthday?
I had a party with my friends.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 2 times a week.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I've been to France.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is a banana.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is a lettuce.
What's your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is a walnut.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the city.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway to work.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I love hiking in the mountains.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I prefer watching movies at home.
You use social media?
Yes, I use social media regularly.
What's your favorite time of day?
My favorite time of day is evening.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts.
Do you prefer to travel by plane, train, or car?
I prefer to travel by plane.
What's your favorite thing to do with friends?
I love going to the movies with my friends.
What's your favorite kind of pizza?
I love pepperoni pizza.
What's your favorite thing to wear?
I love wearing comfortable jeans and a t-shirt.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I enjoy watching cartoons sometimes.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos, especially of nature.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like singing, but I'm not very good at it.
What did you buy from the store last time?
I bought some fruits and vegetables.
Have you ever been to a 200?
Yes, I've been to the 200 many times.
What's your favorite thing to do in the city?
My favorite thing to do is visit museums.
What's the last movie you saw?
The last movie I saw was The Incredibles 2.
What's something you're really good at?
I'm really good at solving puzzles.
Do you like to learn new things?
I'm always curious and love learning.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
My favorite app is Spotify for listening to music.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.